Good morning, Isabella. I hope that you've had a great weekend and that you're ready to start another week at home learning. So I'm going to go through a bit more about multiplication this week with you and looking at repeated addition and arrays and writing the multiplication sum to match those ways of showing multiplication. So what I'm going to do first is we'll just have a bit of a play. And what I've done, I'm going to tilt my screen forward so that you'll be able to see what I'm doing, is I've got some almonds here and I've just got some dice. But if you don't have dice, you might use some cards instead and draw out the cards. But I've got dice and almonds because I didn't have enough counters. So what I want you to do first is just have a bit of a warm up. Okay, you don't need to write anything down at this stage. We're just warming up and having a play manipulating and understanding multiplication as groups of, okay? So if I roll the dice, well, if I roll a 0, I'm going to roll again. I got 4 and 0. All right, 4 and 3. So I'm going to make 4 groups of 3. So I need 4 groups, 3 in each. All right, so you can see that I've got 4 groups and I've got 3 almonds in each. I can count how many I have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I can say 4 times 3 is 12. I could also say that it's 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12. And that's how I would write it as repeated addition. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. There's still 12 there. And that means that 4 groups of 3 equals 12. So 4 times 3 equals 12. All right, let's do another one. I got 7 and 1, so I'm going to roll again. 7 times 3. So I'm going to make 7 groups of 3. All right, there's my 7 groups, and I've got 3 in each. So I can count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. There are 21 altogether. So 7 times 3 equals 21. I could write it as repeated addition as 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 21. Because there's 7 groups of 3 and it equals 21. So 7 times 3 equals 21. So I want you to have a bit of a play yourself before you even write anything down. Just get used to saying groups of and repeated addition. The other thing I want you to do when you do that is show it as an array. Okay, so let's do one more. Got 9 and 8. All right, that's a lot. It's a lot of almonds. Maybe I'll roll again. Come on, I'm getting high numbers. All right, let's just say 9 and 3. So I'm going to make 9 rows with 3 in each, okay? And that's going to be my array of almonds. Remember, an array is like shown in circles, and it's another way of representing multiplication. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And so there's 3 almonds in each row. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. All right, so this is an array, okay? Because I've shown it in nice, neat lines, and there's 9 rows of 3 in each. And likewise before, I can say that it's 3 plus 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 3. And I know that you know how to skip count by 3, so you can even skip count 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. So 9 times 3 equals 27. Notice my video just paused. I hope that it's working okay. All right, I'm going to pause it there because my video is going to be too large if I keep going, but I'll come back.